We are super pumped, Speedster Squad, to show you guys our awesome new toy, the T-Rex Chomp Down. Isaac, how super pumped are you? Are you super pumped?
Yeah.
Jackson, you super pumped?
He said yes.
All right, show him the toy, Isaac. What you got?
So this is the T-Rex Chomp toy. Jackson, do it. Do it. Ooh, so close. This is how it works. So you press this button. It has to try to make it through the loop. And I have to try to stop right at this, right here. It goes this way. And it gets the dinosaur. Now let me do it without any touching the collar. Go, Jackson. Oh. Try again. Oh, go, do, stop. Okay, go. Hard, go. Yeah!
Yeah, you did it! High five, Isaac, high five. Give him a high five, Jackson. We did it! High fives, high fives.
High five.
Yeah!
Oops, I didn't put this.
Isaac, tell him if you go too slow, it's not going to make it. If you go too hard, show him how if it goes too hard, it goes right through.
If you go too hard, pause off.
Yeah.
If you go too slow, end up in the jail cell. See, sometimes if you go too slow, that happens. If it goes right here, if you pass it right here, and you're too slow, it goes back where you stored it, right here. Oh, see, it's supposed to go back where you stored it like that.
Yeah. I think this is our favorite new toy, right?
What?
Is this our favorite new toy?
Yeah.
All right. Tell the good people, see you later.
See you later.
Speedster Squad, out. Velocity City, where adventure and disaster are always close by.